My next question is to Preeti ma'am. Ma'am, what are the books that we should study as a PG resident of community and family medicine?
See what I have studied for community medicine. Park, so first you have to read 2 times at least, and after that, initiation book is very nice for reading for community medicine part. And for family medicine, I have read thoroughly John Murtag's. Many people read Rahul also, but I have read John Murtag's. And if you have to refer something, you refer that. And for hospital management, starting you can read, but if you have better books available for hospital management, you have to read that. But it is very crude and you will understand, but it's not, you can not say it very nicely. And for sociology, many things you have to search on internet because we didn't find a good book for sociology. And other topics, epidemiology, we read Leon Gordis. Then for statistics, 2 3 books of that I used to share. Like Dawson's is there. You can read Dawson's for biostatistics. And means I will say first whatever you start, read it thoroughly so that you have the concept